Golly. We come outside and there's snow on the vehicles. What in the world is going on in Georgia? Yep, I need to go get me some coffee before we start this video. What the? Oh no, we gotta throw that away. That's nasty. I don't like it. Nope. What's up YouTube, bitch boy Pop Cuz? We are back on the video. In today's video I will be doing a truck review. Y'all know I have not been doing truck reviews in so long, but today I'm doing one. Y'all been DMing me all day long saying, bro, when the next truck review gonna come? So I am doing one today. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to try the best. Follow me on Instagram at Pop Cuz. Just follow him on Instagram. What's your Instagram?
At Gabe Futural.
He about to explain everything that's done to this truck. This thing is super clean. Y'all just got a powder coat done.
I got a 2009 GMC Sierra SLT, fully loaded without the sunroof. Actually my dad's truck, and I got it from him stock. And then from there, we've just been building it for about 2 years now. We've been building it since I was 14, and it's finally getting to where I want it. I got clear headlights, everything color matched all around, valence, aftermarket GMC logo, got color match under the hood, powder coated lifts, auto star teal, and I think it's pink raspberry, and then 2614 KG1's Ford Hurricanes on 37 1350 amps, 7 to 9 inch kit with the 9 inch strut maxed out, and then it's got a 2 inch level on it, so it's sitting about 11 in the front, and then in the back it's just got the 6 inch block.
I'm not gonna lie, this color match look good. You take good care of this truck, huh?
Yeah.
You drive it every day?
Yeah, it's a daily.
How old are you?
16.
16?
Yeah.
Bro, you take good. For a 16-year-old driving this, you take very good care.
I wash it just about every week.
It's probably the only flaw inside here is this seat detail right here, but you can get that fixed.
It's got 2 Memphis Mojo Competition 8s, hardest hitting 8s in the state. DS18 doors right here. Got the subs ran to True 1000 Memphis amp, and then got the doors ran to a 900 DS18 amp. Those are about the loudest single doors you can get. Color match tails, color match third brake light, color match back here on everything. Up here got the chrome tailgate, polished drive shaft. Gotta keep it nice and everything.
Bro, this truck is clean, bro.
Color match front fender wells. About 6 layers of clear coat on those.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like 6 layers of clear. Got the spikes on the...
Where did you order yours from? Because everybody keep asking where to order them from.
I don't even... Honestly, it wasn't even powder coated when I ordered them.
Yeah.
It was like I just looked it up. Spike cap covers, and those came up.
You can find them at like truck stops.
You can?
Uh-huh.
Oh, because everybody keep asking where can they get them. I was gifted mine, so I don't know. I don't know where to get them.
5 inch true spike lug nuts. Those are 3-piece lug nuts, so you can just screw that on and off. That comes off.
What the?
And then that piece comes out, and then it's the lug nut.
How do you take that other piece out?
You gotta like have a hook, so they're hard to steal.
Oh, okay. I got you now.
Like the shop.
Where'd you order those from?
True spike. And then I got the quadro wheel lights. The only thing it needs is tint. We are fishbowling on it right now.
To be honest, the inside's so clean. I wouldn't mind the way it look right now.
Yeah.
What you want to do in there? You want to do 5 or something?
Yeah, just 5 all around.
What about on the windshield?
35 on the shield. Already got the 5% brow up there on the top.
Yeah. Do you want to put a Denali grill on there?
I've thought about it, but everybody does that, so I was thinking I might just.
You want to be
like
different?
that. Yeah.
This neat right here.
It came red.
Oh, okay.
So that one's polished.
You know what you should do?
What?
Do something to the bed.
I was thinking about getting the bed color matched white. Like the Rhino liner, getting that white.
You don't think red look good?
I don't know. If I was gonna do something that crazy, I might just match it to the powder.
The only reason I say red is because if you look at your tail lights, you see how this color match, and then it's red, so this red can match the inside of the bed.
Yeah.
Especially when you take this down. When you take this down, then you see the red right here and the red right here. What exhaust setup you got on here?
It's a Super 10 Flowmaster. Nothing loud. It just sounds good.
It actually sounds good. It's not loud. It's not. It's like a perfect tone to it. I like
it. It sounds good when you get on it. It's like a race car.
Yeah. How did you come up with your colors to run?
You see people do cotton candy all the time with the bright pink,
Yeah,
like the bright blue, and I was like, you know, I kind of like base it off that, but go something different. So I was looking through prismatic powders online.
Yeah.
And I seen those two, and they told me they could get some samples up to the shop, and so they just ordered a bunch of samples that was similar to that, and I was like, dude, those colors are gonna look good together, so I just threw it on there.
How much do they charge for your powder?
I got a deal because I worked there at the time, but for a full lift kit, you have to ask him because he works there.
So like, I mean, we'll all price it out depending on everything, but and depend on the color, a candy color, illusion color, or a one coat color.
But what is like an average of y'all doing a lift kit? What would be the price?
Probably about like 1,500, 1,000.
My whole lift was 1,200.
We sandblast our parts all the way down and everything, and then we coat them.
It stays on.
Yeah, we do it right for sure.
I got 38 1550s at the house, so I'm trying to throw the 38s on some 16 wides and have it riding on those.
So if y'all want these KG1 14 wides, y'all let him know because he will trade you for 20/16s, right?
Yep, yeah. Or
He wants
combine them.
Or combine. How much you want?
6,500 OBO.
6,500 or best offer. He said you come get these KG1s. Still got a lot of tread on them.
Yeah.
Yeah. How long you had to set up?
Since like September, so not even that long.
You the original owner of them or somebody else had
Yeah,
them?
I bought those brand new.
That was your Ranger?
Yeah.
And you got it painted like that?
Me and Charlie traded for that Cam Tahoe. This is the day we traded. We built it. We had it all the way down to the frame and everything. Painted the frame.
Wow.
Trying to get the rear end powder coated right now. We just need the time.
The clear coat you can do is called, it's like Rockstar Clear or Baby Rockstar.
These U-bolts?
Uh-huh.
That was my first color. Before we tore the lift kit down and everything, I had U-bolts, face plates and stuff done in that color. And I got the U-bolts at home done in the pink. But we're just waiting because I'm going to try and get the leaf pack and everything torn out, get that powder coated. I might do the axle. I already got that aftermarket diff cover down there.
Oh yeah, I see it. How much did yours cost? Like
that
what,
one was like 300 or something.
300? Okay.
Yeah, maybe
We definitely need to do a
350.
two-tone on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do it.
As you can tell, I like the color match.
Oh Lord.
Everybody told me I was stupid for doing it.
Oh
but
my God, bro.
I told them I like it.
You know what I love about this truck?
What?
Bro, you take very good care of this truck,
Yeah,
bro.
I try to.
It's not a rat's nest up under here at all.
No. I try and keep
You
that.
could have covered up the red wire, but
Yeah.
it's still not a
Yeah,
rat's
I need
nest.
to
Like,
get-
you don't see crazy wires bundled up all right here and stuff, bro.
I need to get the wrap.
What intake do you have in here?
That's a K&N just cold air intake. It doesn't have to be tuned, but we tuned it anyway just because trying to pull these big wheels and tires with the lifts and everything, no motor work, it's just putting a bunch of strain on it. I have to drive it in tow haul, actually.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I
Wow.
drive it in tow haul everywhere I go. So,
All because of the tune?
yeah. No, yes and no, because the tune is just set on like a 89 toe tune, which is like the medium level toe tune. So it's like more torquey and not like on the top end, it's just low end so I can get up going faster.
Yeah.
And so we just but yeah, we just drive it in tow haul, so partially because the tune and partially just because try not to put as much strain on the transmission. It's got 180,000 miles and it's still on the first transmission, so we trying to make it last.
Like some people transmission be going on like at 150, 130,
Really?
and I'm at 120 and I don't have no problems at all. I want to cam it, but the only thing is I have no problems with it, absolutely none.
Yeah.
So if I do cam it,
Yours is low miles.
yeah, if I cam it, I'm gonna buy another 6.2 and cam that motor and just build that one from the
Yeah.
ground up
Yeah,
instead
I had
of
a-
mess with the motor
I
inside.
had a whole cam and everything, full rebuild, priced out for this one, and then decided I was just gonna go in like in a different direction, get something different. The cam, it was gonna be like 4,500 for everything that I wanted,
Cause you want it done the right way.
yeah, right way. And it's already at that point where it's like you gotta build the engine and everything if you're camming it, cause no point, cause it's just gonna mess it up.
Yeah.
If you put in those old
Yeah.
parts with the cam. So
Is this dipped or?
like I was thinking about getting them color matched,
Mhm.
and then I decided I wasn't going to because you look them up and they're like $500-600. If I ever
can't-
go broke, I can just sell my hooks.
Yeah. Of course, I can't play the music throughout the whole video, but I can just get a sample so I can hear. And you said these are 8s, right?
Yeah.
Memphis 8s.
Yeah. Collecting the trees and just building along since I was 14. He had the truck, drove it around stock for like 3 or 4 years before that, and then just asked me if I wanted to get this one when I turned 16, and so we just decided we were gonna start building it so I could get used to it driving it, and so we just built from there. The original plan for it was a 6-inch rough country and 22s and 35s, and then we just kept going up from there.
Oh, that is crazy. You've been collecting some of them trees since you were 14, bro. What year was that?
That was 2020 when it just first got built.
I did not expect that to be that loud at all, bro. That sounds really, really, really good. You'd think you got 2 12s back there for sure.
Yeah. Need to get like a forward-facing box. Because where the speakers aren't facing up towards the seat, cage on them keeps getting dented. So I'm trying to get like a forward-facing box, and they said it'll hit harder.
Just imagine you have 4 of those in there. Not gonna lie, out of all the truck views that I've did, this right here is my favorite, beyond favorite truck I ever reviewed, bro. This one right here is different, bro. You'll think him being 16, everything inside there be messed up, but yeah, he take very well care of this truck. Would you put an LED bar right here or no?
I've thought about it, but like I really have no use for an LED bar.
Make a faceplate that say something right here. I was gonna say that.
Last name or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the only flaw in all of the color match. And it's been on there for like over a year now. Like I said though, waiting on the lowers, because the lowers right now, those are just all aluminum lowers. So basically the lowers came off the rack in the powder coating shop. It was charged $500 a day to like sit on the rack and everything, taking up rack room and everything. You got to get charged for that. We had to get it off the rack. The lower ball joints and the bushings, they just weren't coming in. We had been waiting on those forever because we had to take them out of the stock levels to get those powder coated and order the new ones, and they weren't coming in. And they finally came in that day, and we tried to press them in, and they was the wrong ball joints. Oh. So we had to go out to like O'Reilly's and buy those lower control arms until we could get the other lowers. And so now they're pressed in there and everything. They're ready to go. We just gotta have time to put them on and everything.
What's your next plans for it? I think it's basically like done, right?
Yeah, 16 wides on the 38s.
Probably start like headliner.
That's a lot of work.
But see, your roof not as big as an SUV, so it wouldn't be too long. Yeah. I had mine done. He did it for 17 hours straight. It's in there right now as we speak. I can show you a picture. It looks good. I would have did 1500, would have looked cluttered. It would have been too many. You know what I'm saying?
And one thing I don't really like is when people do like the designs and stuff. One thing that's cool is they can do the shooting star.
That's what I have in mind.
Yeah,
I got the shooting star in mind.
Anything else really, I just like the more clean look.
Yeah.
Sure, get the rear end powder coated. That's one of the next things.
About that.
What about amp steps? You want to put that on there?
Everybody has been telling me about an amp step and how I need to get them. But the only way I would get an amp step is if I color matched it. But next thing, I'm color matching this up here and then right here too. I gotta get those. That's like a 3-step paint or whatever. Just gave us the middle layer, which is like the pearl white. So we just like tried to paint those. Literally like you ran a hose to it and it was just
running off. Yeah.
I'm gonna take those to my color match guy, and he said he can like get all new bolts and everything and get them color matched to where they'll stay.
With your headlights, did it come clear like this? Like you can buy them clear?
Yeah.
I know with our Yukon, you can't buy them clear. You have to put them in the oven and take that yellow side piece out. Yeah.
Have you done that?
That's how I had to do mine myself.
I couldn't get the OEM housings open. I think in there for like 30 minutes.
Oh hell no! You trying to cook your headlight?
Still wouldn't come apart.
Are you serious?
I swear. Because sometimes the glue melting point is lower than, or it's higher than the housing melting point.
Yeah. Still didn't open after that?
It still wouldn't.